Hi, I'm Diana K. Welcome back to my channel. This is a cafe in Stockholm Old Town that we went to the other day, and I can just tell you it was so cozy. Everything was perfect. The only thing that I would have loved if they would have had Italian music, but the coffee was really good. I didn't eat anything, but I will definitely go back. Also, I'm looking forward to going here in the summer because they have, here it is, they have ice cream here. Also, I just wanted to show you my Christmas tree again. I love it so much. I got it off Amazon, and here it is with the gifts under. I can show you what I got for Christmas. My absolute favorite gift was a set of jewelry from Pandora, as well as these coloring books and this LED device for the lips. But I am very happy and thankful for all my Christmas gifts. So me and my boyfriend got this box with beauty products, and on the one side it was blue and on the other side it was pink, and the pink side was my side. Having dogs sometimes means having no privacy, and here I am taking a shower while they're patiently waiting for me. This day we had some homemade hamburgers, and I like to just put my own potatoes in the oven with some olive oil, and I love to put gorgonzola on my hamburger. During these last days of Christmas holiday, we've been taking it pretty easy. This day we went to a mall, but we just ate, and it's just cozy to come home when it's dark outside and just light some candles. And luckily it was sunny also the next day. She likes to walk for a little while, but then her paws get really cold. She doesn't want to walk anymore. So it's around 2 o'clock, and the weather is really nice today. As usual, she doesn't want to walk, but that's fine. But my hand is so cold, I need to put my glove on. So nice when the sun is out. Super hungry, and for some reason I feel like baking cinnamon buns, so I might do that when I get back at home. I just have to buy the ingredients. But look how sunny it is, so lovely. The sun will go down in about an hour, so need to catch the sunlight.
whispering secrets of a brand new day. It would tell of places far away, and stories that are here to stay. It might sing of love that's in the air, or warn of storms that we should beware. The wind would share all that it's aware, in a voice that's gentle, soft and fair, fair. When talking, whispering secrets of a brand new day, it would tell of places far away, and stories that are here to stay.